So these are my 25mm lashes. As you can see, they are very, very dirty. I've worn them about 10 times and it's definitely time to clean them. So you'll need a clear bowl and you'll also need the 50% alcohol. So you don't need to pour that much alcohol, just enough alcohol so that the lashes can sink to the bottom of the bowl. And then once they sink, you'll be able to let them sit for about 15 minutes. But you don't need to pull off the excess glue or anything because that's the purpose of the alcohol, so that the dirt and scum can dissolve off of the lashes, so it'll be easier to pull all that extra dirt and glue off. So on this part right here, I'm just going to look at the lashes, making sure that the glue is dissolving off of the lash band, which it is. And you can kind of, but you can't really see, like there's a little bit of mascara on the lashes just to give them a little, make them a little bit more popping when I'm wearing them. That's also coming off, so now the lashes are going back to their original form that they were before I altered them. So I've taken the lashes out of the alcohol, and this is me just showing you all the glue and the eyeshadow buildup that's on there. And since I've taken it out, I can already tell that it's like a tacky material, so then I'd be able to just pull it off. You can use your tweezers or you can use your finger. If you're using your finger and your hands, be really careful so you don't rip your actual lashes. Now on this lash, you can actually see the glue coming up. This is how it looks exactly out of the alcohol. So the glue and the eyeshadow buildup kind of lift it up, so then I'd be able to just pull it off. I don't have the footage of me pulling it off because I'm recording on my phone, so it's kind of hard to record and pull it off, if that makes any sense. And I don't have anywhere to set up my camera to show you guys that. This is the actual glue and stuff that was on the lashes, and this is how they look cleaned off on the front side, and then I flipped them over to the back side so you can see how the back side look. They are 100% back to the way they looked before I even wore them, and I'm really loving the actual look of it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!